Kung feeling nyo overdue na kayo sa self-care, may bagong destination dito sa Angeles City na worth checking out. This is Organiks Salon and Wellness Spa na opisyal nang nagbukas ng kanilang newly expanded home dito sa Phil-Am Friendship Highway, Barangay Kutkut, Angeles City. The opening ceremony was led by Organiks founders Joel and Elaine Tan. Present din sina magalang Mayor Malu Paras Lacson at Municipal Administrator Norman Lacson.
So, pag punta nyo dito, yung second floor is more on spa. Meron po kami mga tested to accredited na mga therapists. Then, we will also focus on aesthetics and we'll be engaging to aesthetician or the aesthetic doctor soon. So, we'll be catering more services.
First impression pa lang, mapapansin mo na agad yung relaxing vibe ng place. Matatagpuan sa second at third floor ng Organiks building ang kanilang bagong wellness center. According to the management, this is the biggest wellness and aesthetic center in Angeles City.
Yeah, it's actually the newest and the biggest in Angeles City. Organiks, wellness and salon spa. From head to toe, same. Hair, nails, skincare, aesthetics. So anything about aesthetics, contouring, sculpting, skincare. Our own product, line of products for organics such as yung mga hair oil, mga skin oils, and then mga moisturizers as well. And then we'll be catering more additional services as compared with the previous Organiks salon spa location.
Modern ang design, may Asian-inspired interiors, private treatment rooms at very comfortable ang overall atmosphere. Ang maganda dito, halos complete na ang self-care needs mo from head to toe.
Hindi na tayo kailangan pang lumabas. Nandito na lahat ng services meron tayo from head to toe. Meron tayo from lifting, slimming, nails, lahat. Kaya halos nandyan na. And meron tayong upcoming na sauna. Ongoing yung renovation niya.
Meron silang glass skin facials, HIFU lifting, diode laser hair reduction, body contouring, IV wellness drips, hot stone therapy, thigh massage, hair services, nail care, eyelash extension, body waxing, at marami pang iba.
Bago po tayong machine which is the Hisonic. Meron po siyang Sono which yung bagong technology natin from Korea. Yun yung mga nag-o-open ng mga limbs natin sa face. Tapos meron na rin pong HIFU and then may pin RF and yung ating cold compress.
Kung gusto mong mag-relax, mag-refresh, o mag-invest sa skincare and wellness, maraming options na available. According to Organiks, ang goal nila ay pagsamahin ang advanced aesthetic treatments at personalized wellness care sa iisang location.
We are all inviting you po to our reopening of Organiks Salon and Wellness Spa here in Angeles City, Pampanga. So ito po yung one of the biggest and newest all-in-one wellness spa here in Angeles.
Kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong self-care spot sa Pampanga, Organiks Salon and Wellness Spa is open daily from 9 a.m. hanggang 12 midnight. For appointments, you may contact them through their official website and social media pages, Facebook and Instagram. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.